Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zaria McQueen, and if you want to get some more information about this new lace that has hit the market, then keep on watching. So basically y'all, I received this full Swiss lace wig from Superbwigs. I will have all of the information about the wig, including the length and density, down below, but they went ahead and sent me over samples of their transparent lace so that I could compare it. And then you'll see their regular brown, medium brown lace. And you'll see that this kind of matches my skin. But once you see this Swiss lace, you see that it instantly blends in. It's perfect for beginners because you don't got to do too much. I did put some foundation on my lace later on, but that's just a preference. I'm showing you the cap construction, really well constructed. And the knots come already bleached. And they have this new kind of elastic band installed in there for you, so you could go ahead and use that. So I thought that was really cool of them. I'm all about making things as glueless as possible, you know what I'm saying? So here you go. You can see that this lace is super thin and flexible, and it already matches with my skin. And yeah, y'all, this lace is the truth. It was super easy to work with, and yeah. So right now I'm just taking the time to go ahead and pluck the front, you know, thin out the hairline a little bit. When I do this, like customizing my lace, I really try not to over pluck because, you know, the hair is going to shed anyway, and I don't want any bald spots. So that's just my word of advice, is to take your time and don't do too much. Remember, we want natural but not bald, all right? I was sure to part out a little bit behind the hairline and thin it out back there, just so that it's not super bulky and it lays nice and looks natural, y'all. So this is how the wig is looking after I finished customizing it. I didn't put the foundation on it yet, but I did cut it to fit around my ears, and I'm really loving how it blends and lays so nice. So I did pin curl this hair and I cut the lace, and I have plenty of videos showing how to cut the lace, but basically you do like a little zigzag. So now I'm going to apply it, and what really helps me is marking where the glue should I shouldn't go past. This makes it a little cleaner while you're applying, so that you don't have to worry about, you know, putting too much in the wrong place and things get all sticky. You know, we don't want to do all of that. So now you're going to use the grip gel and apply that where you marked. I'm going to do 2 layers, so that's what you're going to see me doing. So before you apply different layers, just make sure that you're letting the first one that you apply dry and get a little tacky, just for like the best results. So now I'm going to do the second layer, and I'm going to do the same thing, cool it for a little bit, and then I'm going to use the spray. After the gel is tacky, use your super hold spray and spray all where you apply the gel, and then do the same thing. Use the fan to cool it till it gets a little tacky, and then you're gonna put your lace on. So when you apply the lace to the glue, make sure that you're holding it in place and drying it, and really like holding it in place. Once you dry it in place, it will stay, and I really love that, and it doesn't crust up as long as you're doing it right, y'all. So here it is. Now I'm taking out the pin curls, and you guys are gonna see the final look. I really love this wig, and I really like how it looks curled. And yeah, I did cut a little bit of layers, like the most amateur layers ever in the front, just so that the curls laid nice. But overall, I think it turned out great, and shout out to Superbwigs, y'all. The lashes and gloss that I'm wearing in this video are both from my line, Z Minx. So make sure you check the description box for more information. But look, isn't it popping? Like, check that out. That's the Cafe Gloss and the Prancer Lash, y'all. Looking good. And it's 2020. Ah!